everyone! So we went and picked up this old pump organ. It's a chapel organ. Half of it works and the other half doesn't. One of the foot pedals down there is broken. So our plan for this is to pull out the keys and stuff. We've already started, as you can see, and it's gonna get converted into a desk. I've done one of these before and it turned out super pretty. This is the back panel, the little knobs that you pull out for the different sound effects. Clinton, Canada. Look at that G. So yeah, I just wanted to show you some of the close-up details on this piece before we gut it. All these years it's been going and it's going to continue on with a new purpose. Let's do it.
It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be